Imagine standing on the deck of a magnificent floating city, the sun rising gently over endless blue waters, and a soft ocean breeze carrying the scent of salt and freedom. You hear the distant laughter of travelers, the clinking of glasses, and music echoing from somewhere above. This isn't just a vacation, it's a dream at sea. Welcome aboard the world of luxury cruise ships, where every sunrise is a new destination and every sunset feels like a golden painting. From gourmet dining prepared by world-class chefs to infinity pools that seem to melt into the horizon. From grand theaters and live music to private balconies with million-dollar views, this is where luxury meets adventure. You might have seen five-star hotels on land, but nothing compares to living in one that sails across the world. This is your ticket to explore how life feels when comfort, class, and the open ocean blend together into one unforgettable journey. Today, we embark on a voyage like no other, a journey through one of the most luxurious cruise ships ever built. Over the next few moments, we'll step inside this masterpiece of engineering and elegance to experience what it truly means to live at sea in luxury. As we sail through crystal waters, we'll explore stunning interiors that rival royal palaces, taste cuisines that awaken your senses, and witness moments that redefine the idea of travel. Whether you dream of sipping coffee while gazing at the sunrise from your private balcony, dancing under the stars on the open deck, or simply relaxing in a spa surrounded by ocean views, this cruise has it all. So fasten your imagination, feel the rhythm of the waves, and let us begin this extraordinary luxury cruise journey together. Every wave whispers a new story, and every moment glitters like the sea itself. The grand welcome as soon as you arrive at the port, excitement fills the air. Towering before you stands a floating palace, the luxury cruise ship, gleaming under the sun like a jewel of the ocean. Porters greet you with warm smiles as they take your luggage, and a sense of calm and anticipation begins to settle in. The moment you step onto the ship, it's like stepping into another world. A red carpet welcome, a chilled drink in hand, and the sound of a live band playing soft tunes in the background. Every detail whispers sophistication. The grand lobby shimmers, with chandeliers and marble floors, giving you the feeling of entering a luxury hotel rather than a ship. Friendly staff members guide you to your suite as you pass through corridors lined with artwork and soft lighting. Through the large windows, the sea sparkles invitingly, promising adventure ahead. The cruise director makes an announcement, introducing the crew and welcoming passengers to the voyage. You can feel the excitement building as the engines start humming softly. The ship slowly drifts away from the port, the coastline fading behind. Glasses clink, waves sparkle, and everyone gathers on deck to watch the sunset. This is the beginning not just of a trip, but of an unforgettable experience where the ocean becomes your home and the horizon your destination. Exploring the ship once settled, it's time to explore this massive floating wonder. The ship feels like an entire city on water, every deck holding surprises that unfold one after another. You start from the top deck, where a panoramic view of the sea surrounds you. Pools glisten under the sky, lined with loungers and private cabanas. Families splash in the water, while couples sip cocktails at the bar. A few decks below, you discover boutiques selling designer brands, jewelry, and souvenirs from around the world. The ship's architecture is nothing short of breathtaking high ceilings, glass elevators, and modern art installations that make every corner photo-worthy. The gym overlooks the ocean, offering a workout with a view. There's even a spa where guests relax as therapists work their magic while waves gently crash against the hull. Wander into the library, and you'll find cozy reading nooks with ocean views. The ship has everything from theaters and art galleries to gaming lounges and sports courts. Each hallway leads to a new discovery, each space designed for comfort and elegance. It's easy to forget you're at sea. The ship feels alive, buzzing with energy, laughter, and music. Everywhere you look, there's beauty, calm, and that unmistakable feeling of luxury that makes you realize this is more than travel. It's an experience crafted to perfection. Rooms and suites, your cabin is your private retreat, a peaceful space that floats gently over the waves. Whether you've chosen a simple ocean view room or an extravagant royal suite, every inch is designed for relaxation and elegance. The standard cabins are surprisingly spacious, with modern interiors, soft lighting, and beds that feel like clouds. Large windows frame the endless sea, giving you a view that changes every day. The higher-end suites take luxury to another level. Imagine waking up in a king-sized bed with the ocean right outside your balcony, stepping onto your private deck, and sipping morning coffee as dolphins play in the distance. Some suites even feature jacuzzis, personal butlers, and living rooms larger than most apartments. Every detail is carefully thought out, from crisp linen sheets to high-end toiletries and personalized touches like welcome notes and complimentary champagne. The smart technology inside allows you to adjust lighting, temperature, and entertainment with a single touch. For families, connecting rooms create a cozy yet spacious atmosphere. At night, as you lie in bed, the gentle rhythm of the waves lulls you to sleep, a feeling no hotel on land can offer. In the morning, you open your curtains to a brand new view, a different island, a new adventure. And the comforting thought that you never had to pack or unpack to get there. Dining and cuisine, if there's one thing luxury cruises are famous for, it's the food. From sunrise breakfasts to midnight buffets, every meal is an experience in itself. Picture this: a breakfast spread that includes everything from fresh tropical fruits and pastries to omelets made to order. Lunch might be a relaxed affair by the pool, with grilled seafood and crisp salads, while dinner transforms into a fine dining event with multi-course meals served on silver platters. Each restaurant has its own charm. One night you might dine in a French bistro, the next in a Japanese sushi bar, and the next in an Italian trattoria overlooking the waves. The chefs on board are masters of their craft, blending flavors from around the world with stunning presentation. For those who love variety, the open buffet offers dozens of choices, and it never closes. You can even order food to your room 24 hours a day. The desserts are a story of their own, handcrafted pastries, molten chocolate cakes, and fruit tarts that melt in your mouth. Drinks flow endlessly: tropical mocktails, freshly squeezed juices, and signature coffees. Dining on a cruise isn't just about eating it. It's about experiencing luxury through taste, aroma, and atmosphere. Every bite reminds you that this journey is as much about indulgence as it is about discovery. Entertainment and activities: when the sun goes down, the ship comes alive with lights, laughter, and music. Every night, there's something new: Broadway-style shows, comedy performances, and live bands playing under the stars. The main theater rivals any on land, with dazzling performances that make you forget you're floating miles away from shore. For thrill seekers, the ship offers everything from rock-climbing walls and surfing simulators to water slides that twist down several decks. During the day, guests can join dance classes, cooking workshops, or yoga sessions on the deck, while the ocean glistens in the background. For the quieter crowd, there are art auctions, movie nights, and live piano music in elegant lounges. Children have their own world too: play zones, mini clubs, and even treasure hunts around the ship. At night, the pool area transforms into a starlit party zone with DJs and themed events. Couples enjoy romantic strolls on the deck, watching moonlight shimmer across the waves. No matter your mood, energetic or relaxed, the cruise has something for you. The fun never stops. The ship itself feels like a festival on water, offering endless possibilities to make memories that last a lifetime. The destinations and ocean experience: as the ship sails from one destination to another, the true magic of cruising begins, waking up each morning to a brand new view. One day it's a lush tropical island, the next it's a charming coastal town or a historic port city. Each stop offers something unique: exploring ancient ruins, snorkeling in crystal-clear waters, or shopping in vibrant local markets. Passengers step off the ship with excitement, knowing adventure awaits just beyond the dock. But even when you choose to stay aboard, the ocean itself offers a world of wonder. Watching the horizon stretch endlessly, feeling the cool breeze on your face, or sitting quietly as the sun dips into the sea, these moments connect you to nature in a way that's rare and beautiful. Sometimes dolphins swim alongside, and sometimes you see nothing but sky and water, reminding you how vast and peaceful the world can be. As the ship moves forward, you realize that this journey isn't just about visiting places. It's about finding calm, joy, and inspiration in motion. Every sunrise marks a new story, every wave a new memory. And by the time the cruise ends, you'll carry the ocean within you, a reminder that true luxury isn't about what you see, but what you feel along the way. Closing as the final night of the journey arrives, the cruise ship glows like a jewel in the dark ocean. Soft music drifts through the corridors while passengers gather on the open deck. Wrapped in the warm breeze and golden light of the setting sun, the horizon slowly fades into deep blue, and the sea mirrors the twinkling lights of the ship, creating a sight that feels almost magical. Tonight I senti, just another evening. It's a celebration of memories made across waves and destinations. The crew hosts a farewell gala, and laughter fills the air. Guests raise their glasses, toasting to new friendships, beautiful sunsets, and the serenity that only the ocean can offer. As you stand by the railing, same sea breeze that welcomed you now feels different, familiar, comforting, like a goodbye hug from the ocean itself. You remember the first day, the excitement, the luxury, and the sense of wonder. Now it's gratitude that fills your heart. The cruise has been more than a vacation. It has been a reminder of how beautiful life can be when time slows down, when every detail is designed to delight, and when you allow yourself to truly live in the moment. The captain's voice gently echoes through the speakers, thanking everyone for being part of this voyage. The waves shimmer under the moonlight, whispering their farewell. As you watch the last reflections of light dance on the water, you realize that the journey may end here, but the feeling of the sea, the calm of the horizon, and the luxury of those unforgettable days will stay with you forever. And with that, the ship sails forward into the night, carrying dreams, memories, and the quiet promise of another journey yet to come.